Today I want to talk to you about what's going on after you've made your render and you want to download your render, work with them, check the status of your renders. So the place to do all of that is here, right here, the cloud tab. So once you click that, you can see all the renders that are in the cloud. You can see the status, if they're completed, processing. You can click here to see the render. There's my view, my work, or you can see the work of your colleagues from your organization in case you, I don't know, you work together and you're making a presentation together, so you can check the status of all your colleagues right here. And you can also click here for the render gallery. And here you can see all the renders that you've made, and if you choose any of them, let's say left click here, I can download my renders, and I can also choose a few renders together with a shift, and again just click download renders and you're ready to go to work. Enjoy!